Yeah. Go, man.
Okay, I basically came here because I had nothing better to do on a Saturday afternoon.
See? You see how good that is?
Nothing better to do. I mean,
Did you learn anything, Phil?
I learned a lot.
Well, tell us about it.
Well,
What did you help paint?
it took me hours to specifically cover each part I worked on.
Which part did you
A
work
lot
on?
of it is hit by that Woody over there, by Don's car. But mainly the street and the curbs, I did that a lot. And also I painted some of the clothes on the West Side Spectators here.
Are you anywhere in the mural?
Yeah. You can see me right over here.
Here, walk over here.
Yeah, and glasses and all. Thank you, I guess I got myself in pot for ingrained posterity.
Yep.
Okay, so essentially for me, it was something to do on a Saturday afternoon because really I would do nothing, I mean, play at Facebook where I could get blocked by everybody, or look at controversial videos. And,
We have to get some more. Okay.
and,
Thanks, Phil.
and what? Yeah. So one thing I learned.